Hello and good morning, afternoon, or evening. My name is Robyn and welcome to my channel. So today I have one of my favorite boxes. This is my Inspo box, and this is kind of just I guess a lifestyle box. It has a little bit of this and a little bit of that in there. So let's get into it. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and thumbs up if you like the video. And if you're returning, thank you so much. You know how much I appreciate and love you guys. So I don't think this box comes with a card. So we're just gonna have to wing it and just kind of guess on retail prices. So the first thing that I pulled out, because I put it in my thumbnail, because the box really comes plain. It doesn't say anything on it. It doesn't have any stickers. It just has my address. So I thought I would just put something that I liked in the box. And it is this necklace. Now, I'm more of silverware, but I did like this necklace. I'm not sure if I'll keep it, but it's just a classic plain silver or gold necklace. So I do like that. Again, there's no retail prices on here, but it's definitely worth the price of the box, which I want to say is $29.95. And I think this box is a bi-monthly box, so you don't get inundated with getting product all the time. The next product, when I picked it up, I'm like, this is so heavy. And it is a manicure kit. Who doesn't like a good manicure kit? You get them and then you lose them. And you just press on here, and it's got the clippers, the pushers, and the scissors. So I thought that was really nice. And that's definitely worth it, because I know a place where I'm just gonna set it and put it back there and not move it. And this could actually fit into my purse and not really make a difference in the weight. Although it's a little heavy, but it could still go in my purse. So I'm really kind of liking that. And I bet you that's probably $15, but I don't know. And then the next thing came in yellow paper. So are you guys all having a great weekend? I'm not sure when I'm gonna put this video up, since I'm catching up on so many videos. Do you got plans? Is it getting nice out where you're at? No more snow, no more rain. Oh, it's a palette. I don't know, is it eyeshadow or lip palette? It's been beautiful here. It was beautiful here today. We actually went to our local bar where they have music and stuff like that on the weekends, and met some friends and sat outside, and it was just beautiful. This must be a eyeshadow palette, but the colors just, let me see, is it too glary? They're just a little too poppy for me. But that is a nice quad palette, but I don't think I could get away with those colors. But that is nice. Oh, then we have the Spongel Salted Rose Mani-Pedi Treatment Set. Cleanses, exfoliates, softens, 7+ washes each buffer. Oh. Have I seen this before? I've been opening up all these boxes and surprised at what has been in them. I've either been so sick and out of the loop that I don't know what they're putting in boxes anymore. And I've already ripped the box, so forgive me. There are two in here, I guess. It's a double-sided. So which is the mani, which is the pedi? It doesn't say. But that is pretty cool. I have not seen that before. Probably says on the box. Oh, it's got peppermint and sea kelp. Wow, oh, directions. Wet. I'm sure it says which is which, but oh my God. This alone is worth the box. Oh, heaven. That. Okay. These are fruit jerky. Have you ever had fruit jerky? One whole organic banana with cacao, and one whole organic mango. This is the front. Let me see. Hello, hello, Sue. This is the front, but this is the back. So it actually looks like beef jerky. We solely use the whole and simple ingredients listed on the front. Never added sugar. You know who might have tried these is Laura from Food Makeup Skin. She's into all this stuff, so I'll have to ask her. Just 2 ingredients. Wow. I don't know though, because it looks like beef jerky. But it's fruit jerky. What do you think? Should I try it? Yes or no? That is different. This is almost like those little ball things you put in the freezer to rub your neck. Oh, these boxes are getting better. And then the next thing, and I know this is expensive. This is probably like $25 or $30 by itself. I recognize the packaging. This is by Manicure Kit, and this, I believe, is the coffee scrub, the champagne charcoal scrub. I don't think I can open it. It might have a cover. I used all mine, but I have other scrubs. But let me tell you, it makes the biggest mess in the shower because I put it all over my body. Yeah. I don't know if you can see like that black. That's exactly what it looks like. So you put it on your arms. I mean, your body feels like 200% when you're done, but it just makes such a mess. So of course I bring the scraper in there so that I could make sure that there's no more in there. But I got this about a year or two ago, and I said I finished it, but this goes for about $25 or $30. So this is definitely worth it. I'm still... Okay, and how many things are in this box? One, we'll count this as one, 2, 3, I'm loving this, 4, 5, and 6. Look at this cute little handbag. And I'm loving the color. See that color? I would have appreciated silver, but I just can't be choosy. And it's amazing that they fit all this in this small box. They need to pack for me when I vacay. Okay, so it's got the top zip, and it's got a strap. It's got your cell phone pocket. It's got the front. The only thing negative, sorry, that I have to say about it is I don't like the bow. It's kind of childish, if I could say. If it didn't have this bow, if it just had a bar or something across it, I might like it better. But I mean, you can stick your cell phone, you can put probably a full-size wallet in there, and you can probably put your beef jerky or your fruit jerky in there. But the strap is really nice. So when you go on vacay or you ride the bike or whatever you do, and I love the color. I love the seafoam. So that is really nice. This alone is probably $30, and it feels really nice. So just to recap, we got this bag. Loving this. And loving to have this back. Not looking forward to scrubbing the tub. We got this eyeshadow. Not loving the color, so, but I'm sure somebody will want that. And I really like, I'll open that again, this manicure set. I don't know if you can go on the airplanes with this or not. Probably not. But who flies anyway? So that is really nice. And it's the color of my purse, so I'm glad. Oh. And this beautiful necklace. And wait for it. Fruit jerky. Fruit jerky. So let me know what you thought of this box. As I said, it's like $29.99. I'm pretty sure it's bi-monthly, and they just put in different items, a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and just stuff like this. So how could you go wrong? So thank you so much for taking time out of your day to spend with me in my crazy mood. And have an awesome day. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button. And have a great day.